This is the voiceover for the MCQ in Acoustics Part 2A of the series. Included topic in the Communications Engineering ECE Board Exam. A PinoyBIX MCQ, quiz, and reviewers. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell button to be always updated to my new video. Thank you in advance. 51. What is the dB SPL of a voice paging in an office? A 90 dB SPL, B 65 dB SPL, C 55 to 60 dB SPL, D 80 to 85 dB SPL. Answer, B 65 dB SPL. 52. What is the dB SPL of an auditorium with contemporary music? A 80 to 95 dB SPL, B 85 to 90 dB SPL, C 95 to 100 dB SPL, D 100 to 105 dB SPL. Answer, C 95 to 100 dB SPL. 53. What is the church dB SPL with speech reinforcement only? A 90 dB SPL, B 80 to 85 dB SPL, C 85 to 90 dB SPL, D 90 to 95 dB SPL. Answer, B 80 to 85 dB SPL. 54. Intensity can also be called as A volume, B loudness, C sharpness, D strength. Answer, B loudness. 55. The loudness of a sound depends upon the energy of motion imparted to blank molecules of the medium transmitting the sound. A transmitting, B running, C moving, D vibrating. Answer, D vibrating. 56. Blank is affected by the distance between the listener and the source of the sound, and its intensity varies inversely with the square of its distance. A volume, B bass, C treble, D vibrating. Answer, D vibrating. 57. If the distance between the listener and the source of the sound is doubled, the intensity is reduced to A 1/2, B 1/3, C 2/3, D 1/4. View answer, D 1/4. 58. If the distance between the listener and the source of the sound is decreased to 1/2 of the original amount, the intensity of the sound would be A 2 times as great, B 3 times as great, C 4 times as great, D 5 times as great. Answer, C 4 times as great. 59. At a sensation level of 40 dB, 1000 Hz tone is A 1000 mL, B 500 mL, C 2000 mL, D 100 mL. Answer, A 1000 mL. 60. If the sound waves are converted to electrical waves by a microphone, what is the frequency of the electric current? A 3 to 30 MHz, B 25 to 8000 Hz, C 4 to 40 Hz, D 30 to 3000 Hz. Answer, B 25 to 8000 Hz. 61. For a music lover concert A is 440 Hz. If a musical note 1 octave higher were played, it would be blank that frequency. A 1/2, B 1/4, C double, D triple. Answer, C double. 62. In a 220 Hz, if a note was played 1 octave lower, it would be blank. A 22 Hz, B 27.5 Hz, C 440 Hz, D 110 Hz. Answer, D 110 Hz. 63 Much of music is generally referred to in A. Harmonics, B. Good hearing, C. Fidelity, D. Octaves. Answer, D. Octaves. 64 Blank is an undesired change in waveform as the signal passes through a device. A. Noise, B. Vibration, C. Distortion, D. Harmonics. Answer, C. Distortion. 65 Distortion enhances intelligibly when an blank is added. A. Equalizer, B. Igniter, C. Exciter, D. Emulsifier. Answer, C. Exciter. 66 A class of signal processors. A. Amplifiers, B. Equalizers, C. Microprocessors, D. Exciters. Answer, D. Exciters. 67 Half construction and internal finishes affect the final sound quality. Blank. A. Poorly, B. Mildly, C. Significantly, D. Badly. Answer, C. Significantly. 68 Positioning a loudspeaker near a wall can dramatically alter its frequency response in two distinct ways, namely A. Gump and dump, B. Hump and notch, C. Fade and gone, D. Bad and worst. Answer, B. Hump and notch. 69 The acoustics of most auditoria are very blank when the room is full compared to the empty condition. A. Different, B. Similar, C. Good, D. Bad. Answer, A. Different. 70 A blank converts acoustical energy. A. Electro-acoustic, B. Microphone transducer, C. Microphone, D. Electric microphone. Answer, B. Microphone transducer. 71 All microphone have two basic components, namely, blank. A. Wired and body, B. Ceramic and crystal, C. Diaphragm and generating element, D. Coil and magnet. Answer, C. Diaphragm and generating element. 72 The kinds of generating elements are bank. A. Expense and fidelity, B. Complexity and ruggedness, C. Longevity, D. All of these. Answer, D. All of these. 73 When the average absorption is greater than 0.2, blank formula is used to compute the actual reverberation time. A. Sabina, B. Stephen and Bate, C. Norris Ehring, D. Notch. Answer, C. Norris Ehring. 74 At room temperature, what is the velocity of sound in meters per seconds? A. 348.03 centimeters per second, B. 980 centimeters per second, C. 980 m per second, D. 341.8 m per second. Answer, D. 341.8 m per second. 75 Calculate the velocity of sound in foot per second. If the temperature is 1490 degrees Celsius, A. 1530.03 feet per second, B. 1320 feet per second, C. 1357.03 feet per second, D. 1920.345 feet per second. Answer, c 1357.03 feet per second.